Spending $200 on earbuds is wild. These Eraser wireless earbuds are a fraction of that price, and they do way more than any earbuds on the market do. It comes with a Bluetooth touchscreen recharging case. Control your music, take photos, set alarms, use it as a flashlight, answer phone calls, and so much more. But the coolest part is it has a Find My Earphone function, so you'll never lose an earbud again. Use them all day because they hold a 35-hour charge. They're entirely discreet, lightweight, and you'll barely know they're there. They fit over the ear, not jamming into your ear. They stay put no matter what you're doing. And they're waterproof. They're taking over the market and going to be a hot hit this Christmas.